All right, guys, we're here at Sean Bell, and quick picture of the condenser unit. There's one, and the second unit is, whoops, there we go, right over there. All right, so the further one that's right there services the upstairs. So we're gonna go ahead and look at upstairs. Downstairs, the unit has not been installed yet, just because we got to get some stuff down there. We'll look at that in a second. So if we trace the line up here, it's tucked in up above the ceiling joist, and behind here, this wall panel here is where our mini split sits. All right, so quickly look inside. Alright, so here is our unit. Alright, it's about 32 inches wide. Oops. Yeah, so it's actually sitting about 36 if I give it a little room on left and right side. Alright. Tongue and groove ceiling. Insulation is in. Home Depot messed up on their order, and we only got enough insulation for upstairs so far. The second half will be coming tomorrow, and then we have the R13 for the walls that's actually sitting outside, so that'll be installed as well. All right, it's definitely starting to feel a little warmer already, and sounds different too as well. So it's almost getting to be a finished space. But the unit downstairs is not in yet, only because we don't have enough clearance. We want to make sure we have enough clearance, and we want to get the ceiling, the tongue and groove ceiling installed before we proceed any further. So hopefully, if the guys can actually work and get the tongue and groove ceiling about 6 feet into the room, 6 to about 8 feet into the room, if they can get that done. And then I can get Mike and Ken from Quality Air to finish up. All right, quick update here, and that's about it.